In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on a file together in Microsoft Teams. If you need to collaborate with someone on a document without downloading different versions back and forth, Microsoft Teams makes that process simple. Working on a shared file directly in Teams helps everyone stay on the same page, and it's especially useful when you want updates to appear in real time. To get started, go to the chat or conversation where the file was shared. This could be a one-on-one chat, a group chat, or a channel conversation, depending on where your team is already communicating. The important thing is to open the place where the file lives so you can access the shared version, not a separate copy. If you're not sure where the file was posted, take a moment to check the relevant conversation before moving on. Once you've found the file, move your mouse over it. When you hover over the file, you'll see more options appear. Look for the three dots, which open the file's additional actions menu. This menu gives you access to different ways to manage or open the file, and it's where you'll find the option needed for smooth collaboration. If the three dots don't appear right away, just make sure your cursor is directly over the file entry. After that, click Open in Browser. This opens the file in your web browser instead of keeping it only inside the Teams interface. Opening the file in the browser is helpful because it gives you a fuller editing experience and makes it easier for multiple people to work on the same document together. In many cases, changes made by you or your teammates will sync automatically, which reduces confusion and helps avoid duplicate versions. Once the file is open in the browser, you're ready to collaborate more effectively using the shared file. This is a great habit whenever you're reviewing documents as a team, making edits together, or checking that everyone is working from the latest version. A quick tip before you finish: always make sure you're opening the shared file from the original chat or conversation, rather than from a downloaded copy on your computer. That small detail makes a big difference when it comes to real-time teamwork. And that's how to work on a file together in Microsoft Teams.